Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to combine multiple rows into one single cell with commas in Microsoft Excel. You don't need to use any sort of advanced options such as pivot table or Power Query to do this. All you need is a simple formula trick. So before I proceed, I would like you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for future tutorial notifications. Okay, now let us see how to combine this data into one single cell. So to do that, keep your cursor next to the second item in the next column. That is this one. I will keep the cursor here, the second cell, and then go to the formulas, click on text, and then click on concatenate. Now for the text one, click and select the first item. And for the text 2, type a comma, and I'll also type a space because I need the space here as well. And then for the text 3, click and select the second item and then click on the OK button. So this combines the first item and the second item into one cell. Now here is the trick. So keep your cursor in the next cell, that is one cell below, and go to the text again, click on concatenate. Now for the text one, click and select the cell that has the combined result of item 1 and item 2, and for the text 2 you can type the space, type the comma and a space, and for the text 3, click and select the third item, that is this one, and then click on the OK button. So this will combine all the three items, the first, second and third. So now if you copy the formula to the cells below, you can observe that each item here is combined with the previously combined data. Now for example, this item is combined with this one to get this result, and this item is combined with this one to get this result, and so on. So now what you can do is you can go to the last cell and copy the final result just like that, and then come back to the first cell, right click and go to the paste special and click on paste values. So this will remove the formulas. Now you can delete the other cells. Select and delete all the other cells. This technique works across all versions of Microsoft Excel. I hope that this Excel formula trick is useful. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, it's bye from hbninfotech.com.